Alright, listen up because this is huge. Amazon is finally cracking down on something a lot of sellers have been doing for years, and it's going to catch a lot of people off guard. If you've been using the Vine program to launch products and you've been stacking reviews, you know, enrolling multiple variations into Vine separately and then merging them later to combine all reviews, yeah, that's getting shut down. Amazon just announced that they are monitoring Vine stacking now, and what that means is this. If you enroll multiple child ASINs into Vine, each with their own 30 reviews or whatever the limit is, and then merge them all under one parent ASIN, you're not going to keep all of those reviews anymore. They're only going to retain the maximum number of Vine reviews allowed for that tier. So if you've had two standalone similar ASINs, both with 30 Vine reviews, and then you merge them into a parent ASIN, you're not keeping 60 reviews, you're only keeping 30, and Amazon will just keep the best or most relevant ones, as now the rest are gone. And this isn't just a theory, it's been confirmed in the Amazon seller forums. They are not just looking at this, they're actively limiting the reviews shown after merges. This is a major shift. Sellers have been using Vine stacking as a review strategy for years. Why? Because it used to work. You build quick social proof across variations and make your product look more established than it really is. But Amazon's finally caught on and they're plugging the loophole. So what do you do now? First, stop enrolling all your variations just to merge later. That's done. Focus on your strongest variation, the one most likely to convert, and put your Vine budget into that. Keep it clean and keep it safe. Second, make sure your launch strategy isn't 100% dependent on Vine anymore. This is just the beginning. Amazon's tightening up on all review related systems. If you're relying on shortcuts, it's time to diversify. This is one of those quiet policy changes that doesn't get blasted in your inbox, but it can massively impact your results if you're not paying attention. So now you know, and if you found this useful, hit that like, drop a comment if you've used Vine stacking before, and make sure you're subscribed because we've got more Amazon updates coming your way.